Imagine a world where the most advanced technology wasn't digital, but mechanical. A box of gears, lost for millennia in a Roman-era shipwreck, emerges from the depths to rewrite history. This is the Antikythera Mechanism, an astronomical calculator, a cosmic calendar, and the oldest known mechanical computer. A true marvel that challenges everything we thought we knew about ancient ingenuity. Our journey begins in 1900, off the remote Greek island of Antikythera. Sponge divers, braving the treacherous Aegean, stumbled upon a sunken treasure trove from the 1st century BCE. Amidst marble statues and amphorae, they recovered heavily encrusted bronze fragments, seemingly unremarkable at first glance. These corroded pieces, however, held a secret far more profound than any gold or jewel. For decades, these enigmatic fragments lay puzzling in museum drawers, their true nature obscured by time and corrosion. It wasn't until the mid-20th century, with the advent of X-ray imaging, that the hidden complexity began to reveal itself. Researchers were stunned to discover an intricate network of interlocking gears, precise inscriptions, and a mechanical logic that defied all conventional understanding of ancient technology. This wasn't just a collection of metal. It was a sophisticated machine, a testament to a lost era of scientific brilliance. The discovery immediately posed a profound question. How could such an advanced device exist in a world we often perceive as technologically primitive? It was a puzzle that would captivate historians, scientists, and engineers for generations. At its heart, the Antikythera mechanism is an analog computer designed to model the intricate motions of the cosmos. Its sophisticated gearing system precisely tracks the sun, the moon, and even accounts for the moon's irregular orbit, which is crucial for predicting lunar phases and eclipses with astonishing accuracy. This level of astronomical understanding, combined with mechanical execution, was unprecedented for its time. The device computes complex planetary cycles, including the 19-year Metonic cycle, which was vital for synchronizing solar and lunar calendars. Imagine the precision required. Differential gearing, a concept thought to be a much later invention, is present here. Pin and slot mechanisms and layered gear trains meticulously translate celestial periods into readable dials, allowing users to predict astronomical events years in advance. In essence, this bronze marvel predicted eclipses, tracked lunar phases, and harmonized solar and lunar calendars, functions we typically associate with medieval clocks or even modern computational devices. It was a portable planetarium, a calendar, and an astronomical almanac all rolled into one, a true testament to the Hellenistic mind's ability to translate abstract mathematical principles into tangible, working machinery. The Antikythera mechanism is more than just an ancient artifact. It's a paradigm shifter. Its existence fundamentally overturns long-held assumptions about the technological capabilities of the ancient world. Conventional historical narratives place the development of complex geared machinery centuries after the Hellenistic era, often attributing such innovations to the Islamic Golden Age or the European Renaissance. But the Antikythera device provides irrefutable proof that Greek scientists and craftsmen possessed an extraordinary command of observational astronomy, mathematics, and mechanical engineering at a remarkably high level. It demonstrates a profound understanding of applied science, the ability to translate complex astronomical observations and mathematical theories into a functional, predictive mechanical computation device. This artifact forces us to reconsider the trajectory of technological progress. It suggests that periods of advanced innovation might have been more common and perhaps more fragile than previously imagined. The mechanism is a powerful reminder that human ingenuity is not a linear progression, but often a series of peaks and valleys, with knowledge sometimes lost to the sands of time. The journey to understand the Antikythera mechanism has been a testament to modern scientific collaboration. Pioneering scholars like Derek de Solla Price first brought its complexity to light. More recently, multidisciplinary teams, employing cutting-edge technologies such as high-resolution CT scans, advanced 3D modeling, and sophisticated epigraphic analysis, have meticulously reconstructed the device's intricate gear trains and deciphered its faint inscriptions. The text etched onto the fragments, a kind of user manual, lists eclipse cycles, zodiacal markers, and even details about specific astronomical phenomena. Yet, despite these breakthroughs, we still don't possess a complete blueprint of its original form, or all its functions. Many questions persist, adding to its enduring mystique. Was this device unique, a singular masterpiece, or was it part of a broader tradition of sophisticated instrument making in the ancient world? Evidence remains thin, but tantalizing additional fragments discovered since 2005 hint at the possibility that similar, equally complex devices may have once existed. The ongoing research continues to peel back layers of time, revealing more about this ancient enigma. The Antikythera Mechanism stands as a powerful symbol, a testament to the fact that advanced technologies can emerge in unexpected places and times, and that human ingenuity knows no bounds. It challenges our preconceived notions of primitive and advanced, reminding us that innovation is a timeless human endeavor. This device seamlessly connects the disparate fields of astronomy, mathematics, and craftsmanship into a single, breathtaking cultural achievement. It is, in essence, the Hellenistic mind made manifest in bronze, a tangible representation of a civilization's intellectual prowess and its profound desire to understand and predict the cosmos. It inspires us to look beyond conventional historical narratives and appreciate the depth of ancient knowledge. The Antikythera Mechanism is more than just an artifact. It's an invitation to explore the frontiers of ancient science and engineering. If you're fascinated by the intricate dance of gears, the mysteries of lost knowledge, or the sheer brilliance of human innovation, there's so much more to uncover. Dive deeper into the technical marvels. Explore step-by-step gear explanations, the decoded inscriptions, and the incredible modern reconstructions that bring this ancient computer back to life. If you've enjoyed this journey into ancient tech, please smash that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more historical and scientific explorations, and join us in the next episode as we continue to unravel the secrets of the past.